Welcome to the nature edition of Find the Odd Emoji Out. Look closely at each set of emojis and try to spot the one that's different before time runs out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a single challenge. Let's see if you can find the odd flower out. Everything looks right. Almost. Spot the difference. Only one is different. Can you catch the odd one out? Spot the sneaky imposter. There's one rose that's not like the others. Can you find it? Which one repeats? Spot the odd tree out. Something's off. Find it. Guess the animal by the emojis. It's goldfish. Spot the corn that looks different. Let's play. Which cactus is different? Find the three elements. Don't blink, the odd one is sneaky. Everything looks right. Almost. Spot the difference. Memorize the images. Find the pair. Which card matches the other? Let's see. Think fast. What number completes the pair? Find the odd one out before it runs away. Only one is different. Can you catch the odd one out? Find the three emojis in the image. Look closely. Can you spot the odd cockroach out? Spot the sneaky imposter. Which card is unique? Can you find the odd worm? They all look the same, but one is a sneaky fake. Spot the 3 differences. Only geniuses spot the odd one instantly. Find the sun that doesn't match. Spot the wrong emoji before time runs out. Find the odd one out before it runs away. Only one is different. Can you catch the odd one out? Which emoji repeats? Something's off. Find it. One of these bees is different. Can you find it? Guess the fruit by the emojis. Passion fruit. Can you find the unique emoji? They all look the same, but one is a sneaky fake. Something here doesn't match. Can you tell what? Thank you for watching. Choose your next quiz and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new challenge.